Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sonia C Styles. Today's tutorial will be on a Christmas wreath. These are the items that we will be using: Christmas ribbon, decorative clips, joy, peace, and Noel sign. We have a star ornament. We also have red and white mesh. These items were purchased at the Dollar Tree. We also have a 16-inch wreath purchased at Hobby Lobby, $6.99, 40% off. Green and red mesh. We also have a giant suction cup that we will be using to place the wreath on to hang on the front door. We also have two other red and green ornaments that we will also be using. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started, and I hope that you enjoy. Okay, we have already started to pre-cut the mesh. We're cutting it about 9 inches. You can go a little bit less. So to speed up the process, we're going to go ahead and pre-cut these colors. As you see, we're pre-cutting the mesh. It's easier to do it this way if you have someone holding the other side. If you don't have all the proper equipment, the cutting table and the rolls that you put the mesh on, this is just an easier way to do it if you have someone to hold it while one holds and one cuts. So this is what we're doing. We're getting the rolls ready. So far we've cut white, red, red and green, and green. Okay, so we're gonna come back in just a few moments. Okay, we have pre-cut our mesh. This is easy to do it this way. If you have someone to hold the mesh and you cut it, we're cutting about 9 inches. You can go a little bit less, but this is to get us pre-started, to get them all cut. We have a 16-inch wreath, so we're probably going to be using about, I would say about 50 to 60 3-piece meshes for each section starting out. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we have started to make part of the wreath. This wreath already has the pipe cleaners already attached. So this is a great idea. I didn't know they sold them like this, but this one already has the pipe cleaners on it. But I think we're also going to have to use some of our pipe cleaners to kind of fill it in, because these are gapped out, spaced out. And these are the pipe cleaners that we'll be using. We did cut these in half. You can use any color because they're kind of going to be tucked in. You won't be able to see them. Okay, so far we have did red here, red and gold there, and red and green over here. So now we're just going to fill it in also with the white, and we also have green here. Also, we're going to need a glue gun. I didn't include this in the beginning of the video, but we'll need a glue gun. We're also going to need wire cutters, and then we're also going to need scissors. So we're going to go ahead and do a demonstration for our next move here. Okay, go ahead and do the green. Okay, we're going to incorporate the green right now. So we're rolling these green right now. Okay. This is a 2-man team, so it works better when we're working together here. Okay. This is the first green one. Roll it kind of a little loosely, but not too tight, not too loose. Okay, then we're going to be stacking them just like this here. And then now we're going to wait for the third one. So we're going to have one going this way, one going this way, and then one in the middle. Okay, so just like so. Okay, now we're going to put this green one, let's see, I think we're going to go right here on this side. Let's see, we're going to put the green one right about in here. Okay, you see the pipe cleaner? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach this here, just like so. I'm gonna show you so you can see. Put the pipe cleaner underneath. Now these pipe cleaners are already on the top. This was already made with pipe cleaners on it when I bought it. But we do have to incorporate some more to make it full. So I brought it in through the back. And then we're just gonna tie it off right here on the top. We're gonna squeeze these together. And we're gonna tie this about 2 times to make it good and snug. 2, or you can do 3. Okay, and then we're just gonna leave it right there. And then we'll do all this fluffing out at the end. And then we'll do our final. But we're just getting started here. Just kind of putting the colors together where we want everything to go. Okay, so we're gonna be right back. This is what the wreath looks like so far. We're about 1/3 of a way done right now. We still have more to go, so just stay tuned and you will see the finished product. Okay, everyone, this is what the wreath looks like now that we have put all of the ribbon, the mesh. We also had to use some white glitter tulle. I think I did use 2 rows of this to incorporate in the inside to fill that in the center here. And I also used 2 reds, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. So this filled this in here in the middle. We're going to also put the signs in. I did use a glue gun, and I used 2 pipe cleaners and glued them on here so they can tie in here. And we also have another one which says peace. So I'm going to go ahead and do those. And then we have poinsettias that I'm going to insert inside. And also we have ornaments that we're going to put inside to make this a finished product. And let me know what you think once I finish. And we're going to go ahead and finalize this, and I'll be right back with the video. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the sign in. We're going to, I have the wreath turned upside down. So this is the back part right here. And we're going to go ahead and tie these pipe cleaners here and try to center the sign. Just going to put it right up through the wire. Just like that. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and tie it. See what it looks like. I'm going to turn it over in just a minute. Nice and secure. I'm going to bring the other side right up through the wire right there. Bring it up real tight and secure. And we're going to turn it over and see what it looks like if it's centered. That looks pretty good to me. It looks like it's right here in the center. We're only going to use just the one sign, and we're going to just have it right there in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and insert all of the other ornaments here in the middle. Also, we're going to turn this back over. We're going to cut these pipe cleaners off. You could just use scissors just to cut these off. Cut them off so they won't be so long in the back. You can kind of tuck them in. Okay. All right. We're going to turn this over. And we're going to finalize it with the rest of the ornaments. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the ornaments on. We're going to put a poinsettia over here on this side. Just stick them right in. Okay. And I'm going to put one right identical on the other side. Stick that right in there like so. flatten it down a little bit. And then this ornament is really nice because it has a clip already on it. So all you do is clip it on. I'm going to clip it right onto the wire. Okay. So that sticks up like so. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very fun and interesting video to do. You do see wreaths at the store, but they may not have your color scheme. They may not have the ornaments that you desire. And to make your own video, you can give it your own flavor, your own spice. And I hope that everyone enjoyed this video. And please like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'm going to show you the final, what it looks like hanging on the door. So this is what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed.